are living in Tamil Nadu. Okay, children. There we are living. Our whole nation name is called India. Once again, tell with me. What is the name of our nation? India. Okay, children. Next, we have a special flag for our nation. The flag, we will raise the flag in the post and our flag will fly everywhere with the blowing in the air. Okay, children. See here, the flag is blowing in the air. See here, and how does it look? How the flag looks? Yes, it is horizontal in shape. And see here, what color is first? Yes, orange. Orange is the first color. And next, see here, what color is second? White. White color. And third, what color is this? Green. Green color. Okay, children. For red, orange represent the freedom fighters who gave their life. They gave their blood to get back our nation from other people who invaded our nation. Okay, children. The orange color shows the blood of the freedom fighters. Okay, children. Next, see here, what color is that? White. White color represent our peace of mind and our nature of our heart, children. We always are pure in our by heart, isn't it? The white shows the purity of our heart and mind of a person. Okay, children. Next, green color shows our nation is full of green. Okay, children. Our nation is full of green. When we see everywhere, and that we can see that these are green color trees. Okay, children. These three colors represent our whole nation in one flag: orange, white, and green. And in the middle part, what you are seeing there is a wheel, isn't it? That is called Ashoka Chakra. What is called Ashoka Chakra? And see here, that is in blue color. What color? Blue color. And there are some lines in it, isn't it? There are 24 lines in the national flag Ashoka Chakra. How many lines are there? 24 lines. And this is our national flag. When we see a national flag, we have to give a salute to it. Okay, children. When we see our national flag, what we have to do? We have to give a salute. Okay, children. This is our national flag. Children, what is the name of our nation? India. Okay, children. And what is the flag? Yes, it is a tricolor flag with orange, white, and green. And middle we have Ashoka Chakra, that is in blue color. Okay, children. See here, children, what we are seeing here is it is the emblem of our nation. What is this? It is our emblem of our nation, India, children. What we are seeing here? Yes, we have 4 lines standing back to back, isn't it? The lines are standing back to back. We can see 3 lines in it, and the 4th line is back of the first line. Okay, children. And see here at the bottom, what you are seeing here is, yes, it is a galloping horse and a bull, and the back side we can see lion and an elephant. And see here, in between the galloping horse and a bull, what is there? Yes, we have already learned it is in our national flag, that is the Ashoka Chakra, and covered by a bell-shaped lotus. See here, children, it is our emblem, how our emblem is made. See here, we have 4 lines and a galloping horse and a bull and a lion and a elephant. Okay, children. See here, with the wheel in it and a bell-shaped lotus. Okay, children. It is the emblem of our nation, that is also called as Sarnath line, capital of Ashoka. Okay, children. Next, what we are going to learn is the national anthem of our nation, India. See here, this is our national anthem of our nation, India. It starts with the line Jana Gana Mana. Okay, children. Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of our nation, India, and it was written by the poet Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, have to stand straight. Okay, children, and we have to close our palms and we have to stand straight till the song over. Okay, children. Next, what we are going to see is national song of our nation, India. National song of our nation, India is start with the line Vande Mataram. Start with the line Vande Mataram. Okay, children. And it was written by the poet Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Who wrote the national song Vande Mataram? Yes, it was written by the poet Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Okay, children. For this also we have to stand straight till the song over. Okay, children. Next, what is this? Yes, peacock. It is our national bird. It is our national bird. See here how it looks like. It looks wonderful, isn't it? Our national bird of our nation, India is peacock. What is this? Peacock. See here, children. What picture is this? Tiger. What picture is this? Tiger. Tiger is the national animal of our nation, India. See here, what color is this? It is yellow color with the black lines in it. Yes, tiger is the national animal of our nation, India. Okay, children. Next, see here. What is this? Mango. We love to eat mango, isn't it? Mango is yummy, sweet in taste. Okay, children. We love to eat mango. Okay, children. Mango is the national fruit of our nation, India. Which is the national fruit of our nation, India? Mango. Mango is the national fruit of our nation, India. We love to eat mango, isn't it? Okay, children. Next, see here. What is this? Flower. What flower is this? Lotus. See here, the pink color lotus is the national flower of our nation, India. Lotus is the national flower of our nation, India. Okay, children. Lotus is the national flower of our nation, India. Next is see here, children. What picture you are seeing here? Yes, tree, a large banyan tree. What tree is this? Banyan tree. And the national tree of our nation, India, is banyan tree. It is so large, isn't it? Okay, with branches blowing towards the ground, isn't it? See here, children. Banyan tree is the national tree of our nation, India. Okay, children. Next, see here what they are doing. They are playing. Is it playing cricket? No, they are playing hockey with the hockey sticks in their hand, isn't it? See here, this is the hockey stick, and they are playing the hockey game, which is our national game of our nation, India. Hockey is the national game of our nation, India. Okay, children. Just shall we recall once again what we have learned from about our nation. Okay, children. See here, children. What is this? What is the name of our nation? India. What is the name of our nation? Just tell with me. India. Okay, children. Next, what is that? Yeah, flag. What is this? National flag with your tricolor horizontal flag with orange in the first, white in the middle, and red in the bottom with the Ashoka Chakra in it. Okay, children. Next, what is this? Emblem. What is this? National emblem. It is the Sarnath lion, capital of Ashoka. It is the national emblem of our nation, India. Next, see here, children. What is this song? National song. National song is Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram is the national song of our nation, India, and it was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Okay, children. Next, see here. What is this? National anthem. National anthem is start with the line Jana Gana Mana. Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of our nation, India, and it was written by a poet Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, children. Next, what is this? National animal. What is the national animal? National animal tiger. And the national flower is lotus. What is the national flower? Lotus. And what is the national fruit? Is a mango. National fruit is mango. And the national tree is banyan tree. What is the national tree? Is banyan tree. And what is our national bird? Peacock. What is our national bird? Peacock. And what is our national game or sport? Is the hockey. What is our national sport? Is hockey. Okay children, I hope we all learned about our nation India. I hope you enjoyed and learned this about our nation. Now it's time for your home assignment children. For your home assignment, you have to complete the given worksheet and send it in the WhatsApp group. Okay children. And with that you have to do the writing work of the alphabet given to you. Okay children. Thank you. See you and meet you in the next class.
Children, now in this activity we are going to see how to write the next group 1 letters, that is S and U. In the previous classes we have already seen from A to R. Now we are going to see the next group 1 letter S and U. Shall we see children? Take a fresh page, sharpen your pencil. See here children, before start writing, put today's date. Okay, see here, group 1 letter S and U. Slanting line, say and write. Small curve, slanting line, small curve, touch the slanting line and small curve. What is this? Group 1 letter S. See here, slanting line, small curve, again slanting line, one small curve, touch this curve with the slanting line and small curve. What is this? Group 1 letter S. S for sun, sunflower. S for star. Say and write children, slanting line, small curve, again slanting line, touch the curve with the slanting line and small curve. This is group 1 letter S. Next U. See here, slanting line, standing line, small curve, go up. Again come in the same line and small curve. This is U. U for unicorn. Slanting line, standing line, small curve, go up. Again come in the same line and small curve. Slanting line, standing line, small curve, go up. Come in the same line and small curve. What is this? U. You should not take your hand, okay? Write again. Slanting line, standing line, small curve, go up, come in the same line and small curve. What is this? U. See here children, once again. Slanting line, small curve, again slanting line, small curve, touch the curve with the slanting line and small curve. Next U. Slanting line, standing line, small curve, go up, come down in the same line and small curve. What is this? Group 1 letter S and U. Okay children, practice each letter each day. Keep practicing it children. Okay children, thank you all.